Randall and Rueff doesn't do it for the money. He just loves to take pictures. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Randall and Rueff here. Maybe I can scoot it back a little bit. It doesn't want to stay, but okay, whatever. Good enough for now. Okay, I've got my Kenwood TH-D74, A for America. It's got a rubber ducky. It would be better if I had a longer, bigger antenna. And I went to the bank today, transferred some money from my savings to my checking so I can buy the rubber ducky. And sorry about that. Eliminate the rubber ducky. I'm not going to throw it away, but I'm going to keep it. But I'm going to replace it for actual use with a better antenna, a longer antenna. So that's what this video is all about. Nice little stiff. I'm just going to close this out. Okay, let's go to eBay. And there it is. $14.99. Now, turn for radio. It's got the same kind of connection this radio's got. Okay. So, $4 shipping. I'm not going to get the $1.99 stuff, the protection plan. Let's see. 6 exclusions, 11 watches. Kenwood TH-D74 Alpha, which is what I've got. So let's buy it now. No, thanks. No, thank you. Okay. Okay, so there you go. It's been ordered. Estimated delivery by Wednesday, November 20th. Hopefully you'll hear a lot sooner. It's coming from New York. So I'll get an email here shortly, probably. So until next time, I'm Randall and Rueff. K9RMR is my call sign. And that's the antenna, or how I ordered my antenna, my new antenna for my Kenwood TH-D74 Alpha. Till next time, good day, God bless. 73, and I'm clear.
Randall, I swear to God.
What?
Put that stupid camera up.
Okay.